Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to fix if you're not getting an OTP code on your mobile phone. First of all, just go to your settings panel. Just put your phone on flight mode for like 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it off. After that, if the problem still continues, just restart your phone. After that, if the problem still continues, if you're not receiving OTP, what you have to do is you have to check your numbers. If you have any blocked numbers, go to phone app and go to settings here. Go to block numbers here. Check if you have any blocked numbers, especially that number that you're gonna get an OTP from. After that, you also have to check spam filter. If you have a spam filter here in these settings, you have to check that filter as well, and you have to turn it off. Next thing you want to do is you have to clear cache in your messages app. Just go to settings, go to apps, and go to messages. Search for messages. Open messages, go to storage, and go to here. You can clear the cache here. Once the cache is cleared, if you're still not getting your OTP, the next thing you want to do is you have to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. If the problem still continues, you have to check the do not disturb mode. Just go to your settings panel. Check if you have do not disturb on. You have to turn it off. You have to check this. After that, what you're gonna do is you have to check date and time. If your phone's date and time is not correct, you have to make sure that it's correct. Go to settings and go to general management and go to date and time. Here you have to check check the date and time. If it's not automatically correct, you have to set it from here. Usually it is automatically set and correct. You have to check your date and time. If the problem still continues, what you have to do next is you have to reset your mobile network settings. Just go to settings and go to general management and go to reset mobile settings. Go to reset and reset mobile network settings. Here you will reset your mobile network settings. Hopefully after that your problem should be resolved. Thank you.